So the next one is, you're not a salesperson. We are a salesperson in the sense that we make a commission. We are not a salesperson in the sense that I don't have a product that I need you to buy. I don't need to convince you to buy something you don't want to buy. If I'm selling insurance or cell phones at the AT&T store, whatever, I need you to think you need this product. Even though you probably don't want it or need it at this time, I need to create urgency. I need to do these things so you buy this product right now while you're in front of me. In real estate, that's not it. We are consultants, right? I don't have inventory. I have listings, but I don't care if you buy those or not. Someone else is going to buy those. I need you to buy me. I am the product, right? Not the house. And that's something you need to learn early on. The house is not the product. Quit trying to sell the house. Sell you. You are the product. If you have a buyer, don't walk in and say, oh my God, look at this house, right? Ask questions, lead them, provide value to them. If you have a listing, don't go do open houses and try to sell that listing. It's going to sell itself. Your job is to capture clients from listings, sign calls, open houses. So know early on that you are the product, not the house. So we are not a salesperson. We're a consultant. That person, that buyer is going to buy a house, whether I sell them one or not. That listing is going to sell their house, whether I sell it or not. I don't need to convince them to sell something. I need to convince them to use me. So we are not salespeople. We are consultants. We do not sell things to them. We guide them through a transaction. So understand that. It's a mindset. It's different. You don't have to be a smooth talking salesperson to be good at real estate. You have to care about people, be knowledgeable about the process, relate with people. That's a huge thing. If you can connect with people and build rapport with people quickly, that's what's most important. You don't have to be a salesperson. Don't be a salesperson, actually. You'll have more success.